Everyone wants to stare at charts, draw a few lines, and make money. But if you don't actually know what you are clicking buy and sell on, you aren't trading. You are just playing a very expensive video game. Today, we are stripping away all the complicated Wall Street jargon. I am going to explain exactly what the stock market is, the difference between a stock and a share, and the harsh reality of investing versus trading. And we aren't going to look at a single candlestick to do it. Forget about tech companies and banks for a second. Imagine a beautiful 2-acre plot of land. You've built an incredible farm here. You've got coconut trees lined up right at the front near the main highway for easy transport, and a massive mango orchard down at the far rear of the property. The farm is generating serious cash. But you want to expand. You want to buy the land next door, but you don't have the capital. So, you take your entire farm business, the stock, and you divide it into 100 equal pieces. These individual pieces are called shares. That's the difference. Stock is the general term for ownership in a business. A share is the exact unit of that ownership. If you buy one share of this farm, you officially own 1% of the coconuts, 1% of the mangoes, and 1% of the profits. Now, where do people go to buy those pieces of the farm? They go to the stock market. The market is literally just a digital supermarket. Instead of buying milk and eggs, people are buying and selling shares of different businesses. When there is good news, like a record-breaking mango harvest, more people want to buy, so the price of those shares goes up. But if pests attack the crops, panic sets in. People rush to sell, and the price drops. This brings us to the most critical question you have to answer. Are you an investor, or are you a trader? An investor buys a share of the farm because they believe in the business over the next 5, 10, or 20 years. They believe those mango trees will grow bigger and compound over time. It's a game of patience. A trader doesn't really care about the mangoes 10 years from now. A trader looks at the farm and says, I heard a rumor that the highway next to the coconut trees is expanding next month. Traders make money on the short-term fluctuations of price. It's a game of execution, risk management, and psychology. Both can make you money, but mixing them up is how you blow up an account. Don't turn a bad short-term trade into a long-term investment just because you are in the red. Now that you understand the game, it's time to learn how to read the scoreboard. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how we use charts to track these price movements, starting with the absolute basics of technical analysis. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.